This video will be about making buttons, handmade wooden buttons. We're using olive tree wood, which is kind of a hard wood, and it has these beautiful veins and colors. I really like, it's my favorite type of wood, and it's from a tree of a neighbor. So it's a local tree. Yeah, so come along with us, and I hope you will enjoy this video. If you wanna buy some of the buttons, you will find the links of where you can buy them on the description box. So hope you will enjoy this video. But they're not completely finished. Of course, I have to sandpaper them to smoothen up the surface, and then just put some oil. Okay, so the next step is to wash the buttons slightly in just water, plain water, because I want to get rid of all of the sand dust from the sandpaper. okay. And then I just place them on a tablecloth. Like that. So this is pretty much the color that you will see on the buttons once I'll oil them. It's this kind of deep golden color. Slightly press to kind of dry them, and I'll let them dry for I think about an hour or something. This is the oiling process. I used this herbal infused oil, and I really like it. It has a nice smell, and I tried it before on wood and it works really well. So what I do is to just dip my fingers into a bit of this herbal oil that I made there, like that, and then I just take a few of them and just rub them. Just rub them on my hands and give them a good amount of oil, and then I'm placing them here for now. And then we'll just let the oil soak into the wood, and then tomorrow they will be ready. Okay, so let me tell you a couple of things about these buttons. Since we make these buttons by hand, we don't have any machines or, electrical devices. We just have a drill to drill the holes. All the shapes are very similar, but the buttons are not identical to one another. First of all, because of the fact that we make them, by hand, but also the colors and the veins. It's the same wood, it's a olive tree wood, but as you can see, some have more, colors and veins, and some are more like plain. And the color will also become brighter once I coat them in oil. So they are all different. They look really nice. They are about 2 centimeters diameter, and let's see how thick they are. Look,
I would say they would
0.5. If you check the entire thickness,
that one is pretty thick actually. And the other
some
ones?
of them are thicker and some of them are a bit.
Yeah, like this one, the other one here. 0.3 to 0.5 maybe.
Yeah, 0.3 to 0.5.